What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Create Your Worth YouTube channel, also known as CYW50. And today I'm going to be going over 7 things that are typically missing on these Foxbodys. So these 7 things that I'm going to be going over are very minor, but I noticed that a lot of the Foxbodys that I came across online or in person, or the Foxbodys that I've owned, they've been missing these particular items. Go ahead and get started. So we are going to start in the hatch. So the first thing that I typically notice that a lot of Foxbodys are missing is the cargo cover. So I'm going to post a picture right now if I have one available. So basically the cargo cover is a thing that attaches from here and it goes all the way across, and it kind of retracts back here and attaches onto here. It basically covers any cargo you're carrying. So obviously mine is missing. And I was searching online for a cargo cover, especially a black one since my interior is black. And the cargo covers, a black cargo cover is actually going for $150 to $200. And that's really expensive. But that's going to be the first thing, the cargo cover. So the second thing that's typically missing on these Foxbodys are these fastener covers on the armrest. Mine are all intact because I actually ordered these off of LMR, but the majority of the Foxbodys that I've seen and the previous Foxbodys that I've owned, they've been missing these little plastic things. And over time, people typically slam their doors over and over. These things come loose and they're so small that you're not going to notice when it falls out. It probably falls out on the ground or it goes behind your seat. But this is going to be the second thing that's typically missing on these Foxbodys, are going to be these covers for the fasteners on the armrest. So the third thing that's typically missing on these Foxbodys, the original owner's manual. I bought these off of eBay, but a lot of these cars don't have the original owner's manual. I don't expect them to, but a lot of these cars don't. So I came across these on eBay. And the reason I bought these is because my car is a 1990 and these are for 1990 Mustang. So I went ahead and purchased these. So this is going to be the third thing that these Foxbodys typically have missing, is the original owner's manual. So for the fourth thing, I'm going to go ahead and open the hood. So the fourth thing that's typically missing on these Foxbodys is the distributor boot cover. I got this one in the junkyard for like $2, but every Foxbody that I've came across doesn't have this boot cover. Apparently it keeps moisture out and basically makes the distributor look a little nicer. But yeah, this is going to be the fourth thing, the distributor boot cover. So the fifth thing that's typically missing on these Foxbodys is the coil cover. So my car was missing this coil cover, and I got this one at the junkyard for like $2. And I think you could buy them brand new on LMR.com, but I think they go for about $30 or $35, which is kind of expensive in my opinion for a plastic cover like this. But yeah, this is going to be the fifth thing that's typically missing on these Foxbodys. So the sixth thing that's typically missing on these Foxbodys is a wiper blade motor cover. So it's basically a plastic cover. I'm going to post a picture of it right now. So apparently these covers only came on the 92 and 93 Mustangs. So anything before that didn't have them. But even the cars that I come across that are from 92 and 93 don't have these covers. And again, LMR sells this cover, which makes it look a little nicer in this area. And I think that cover is going for about $35–40. So this is going to be the sixth thing that's always missing on Foxbodys, is the wiper motor plastic cover. And the last thing that's typically missing on these Foxbodys, which is going to be my number 7th on my list, is going to be the air deflector that runs across the radiator support. This one is missing. My first Foxbody was missing, and the majority of the Mustangs that I come across don't have this air deflector. So this air deflector is basically there to help cool the radiator. So it's basically like a little plastic thing. I'll post a picture of it if I find one online. but it's a plastic thing that runs across the radiator support that deflects air into the radiator, which cools the car down. But the majority of them are either torn up and people decide to just unbolt them. I don't have any cooling issues, so I'd never replace mine. So that's gonna be the 7th one. So there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you guys want to add anything onto the list that I just mentioned, just comment down below. But that's all I have for you guys today, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.